There are various ways you can bring your content into Paint 3D. To start a scene with a specific piece of content, use the Open menu, where you can browse for files on your computer. You can open both 3D models and 2D images. You can also open content by right-clicking a file in Windows and choosing Edit with Paint 3D. The Open menu includes all your previously saved Paint 3D projects. Use the Insert menu to add content to an existing scene. If you insert an image and you don't want it to overwrite the other images on your canvas, you can click Make 3D to pop it out into its own layer. You can also insert content by pasting it from your clipboard. Hit this icon or press Ctrl+V. This is a great way of bringing in text or images from other apps. The final way you can insert content is by simply dragging it into the Paint 3D window. Try mixing 2D and 3D content together to help communicate your ideas in new and more effective ways.